Rick and Morty. What's up, YouTube? Today we about to be frying some catfish. I got my batter, my oil, my eggs, because I use eggs and flour just to give it that little extra crisp, and my seasonings. I got the Mrs. Dash, some seasoning salt, and some regular salt, just a pinch, something light. So what I'm about to do now is I'm gonna actually pour this flour in this cornmeal, make a little mix, put it in here, mix a little seasoning in, and then yeah. Alright guys, so for my double breading technique, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dip it in the egg batter, dip it in the flour and cornmeal mix. Sorry, wait. So just gonna dip this just so I can show you. One or two, dip it, get it nice and in there. Then I'm gonna dip it in the egg batter, coat it, rinse off the excess, and then I'm gonna dip it back into the flour so it can have something to stick to. And I'm just gonna do that for all the nuggets. And I'll get back to you when I'm ready to fry. Alright, so now I got the oil heating up, I got my fish, and yeah. They cooking, y'all, they cooking. And there you have it, folks. I'm ratchet. I got my shit on a paper bag, but looks bomb.